Okay viewer, we are on the same video that discussed in previous lecture. That one is the this is the example. First one, this function is given y is equal to sin x, and you have to plot. If you people want to plot this function, then we use this command, and the second one, if another function, then we plot in this way. If we want to combine both of them, then we use this command for the combining two command. Now how we combine and what is the effect of these two, that is use, you can see and you can watch here. We combine figure A and B and get figure C. This is the another example. That one is the graph of f of t for t is the approaches to 0 to 5. T is between 0 to 5, where s of t equal to 1, and this is their value. We want to write these all things on Mathematica, and we need result. And we first of all we put this command. This is the function, and the function is this. The function is the s t underscore bracket close 2 dots equal and 1. Here is missing something, sorry, this one is here equal to 1, and then their value is 0, 0 less than equal to t is less than 1, and the other function is this one, that is st equal to 2 dot equal 1 plus these things we put in MATLAB, and there are two functions are defined here. Now we want to combine both of them. We want to plot for this. Now we write this one for plot command, p1 equal to plot s of t. Here we plot s of t, and the value of t is starting from 0 to 5. Aspect ratio automatic, all things are set. We here is automatically, and we get the result.